Alright, so moving on to DIY number 2. Here I did the same thing like I did before, just section it off with 4 strips. Now I'm just going to start out at the corner and then probably to the middle and cut. Same thing on the side. Like that. We're going to go directly across from it and do the same thing. We're only going to do it twice, and this is going to be where we put our crushed glass. So I'm going to grab a small brush and put some oil in this container. You guys, I have a DIY coming soon. You guys are going to love it. That's why I have this oil here. Whenever I'm late putting up a video, it's because I'm working on some other stuff as well. So then I'm just going to take a little bit of oil. You can use a Q-tip too. But I'm just going to brush a little bit on here. Hopefully this will make the tape easier to come up. So let's try one side first and see if it helps, and put down our UV resin. And I'm using that same brush. I clean it after each use. Okay, let's take our crushed glass and put it right on top. See if the oil helped at all. Oh, look at that. Okay. So yeah, definitely put some oil on here before you put down your crushed glass. Come in with the baby oil and put it on the tape. Again, come in with your UV resin. We want to leave a little bit of a rim at the top. Okay guys, so now you will have this. Just go ahead and knock off the excess. Okay guys, so this is what you will have after. If you see anything that's going to be in the way, just go ahead and remove it. Okay? Be careful, do not get this in your eye. So I'm just going to lock this down even more. Okay guys, so now I have some mirror towel. And of course, I'm just going to go down each side with the mirror towel. Okay, just like that. Now I see a couple of places where I can add some more of the crushed glass. I'll do that off camera, as well as adding the mirror towel to the other side, and then I'll come back. So now let's just go down each side. Okay guys, so I'm going to do the other side as well. And I'm going to do the base just like I did on the first one. So I'll do that, and then we'll come back and move on to the third and final candle holder. Okay guys, so here's our third and final candle holder. Again, I started out with the 4 lines. This time I'm going to go around maybe about here. And I'm gonna try and keep it as straight as I possibly can. Now you guys can measure if you need to. And that would be even better, but you guys know I don't like to use a ruler too much. So now we are going to go from the center of this to the end. We're going to do this all the way around, so we will have 4 points. Find the middle. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go in with some of my oil. Alright guys, so this is what we have. I'll go ahead and pull the tape off. Wherever I need to use my blade, I will just go under there and just help move it. Okay? And just scrape off any extra little resin that you see. So I'll do that off camera and then come back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and put the piece at the top. So now just go ahead and go outside our line with the mirror towel. This is how she looks. Okay guys, so I have some little spots in this one. This is the one that I found at Goodwill, I believe. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and put some UV resin on here. Go ahead and add your crushed glass. And then come in with your light. Okay guys, so I'm just going to go around the base and just clean it up, because we're going to go in with some of the diamond bling. Got just one row, and we'll do that off camera and come back. Okay guys, so this is what we have. Isn't it pretty? So what I'm going to do with this now is just go ahead and trim the outside with more of the diamond bling. Then we'll come back and glue it to the base. Okay guys, so now I'll go ahead and let this dry along with the second one. The first one is completely dry because it's been a few days since I worked on the first one. So yeah, so I'm going to come back and show you what to use on the inside of these. If you want to use a real tea light, a real candle, so it doesn't make a mess. You can also use the LEDs. It's totally up to you. So yeah, okay guys, so these are the little tea light holders that I like to use inside my candle holder whenever I want to burn real wax candles. Now you can use one of these and just put it on the inside, or you can decorate it with mirror towel or crushed glass. So I think the crushed glass would go better with what I'm doing. So again, you just take out your crushed glass. We're going to do the same thing. kind of hard to hold this and do the whole thing, so we're just going to work in sections. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's going to give the glow a warmer light. You might like that rather than just a stark bright light, but if you want a brighter light, then just use them regular. So there are 4 to a pack. I'm going to do 2 more, and then I'll save the last one for another DIY in the next video. And now I present to you my completed set of crushed glass candle holders. I designed them all differently, but they are still a matching set. I love all 3 designs, but remember, you can take one design and create your own candle holders. It's totally up to you. I'm curious to know what you all think about this DIY. Comment your thoughts below. Okay everyone, this concludes my video. I hope that you all enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.